Alright, I'm just going to quickly show how to upload a video and place it in a post. First, you of course log in. Validated. Then we go to the dashboard, add new media, find the MP4 file you want to upload. I guess we'll do this one here, MP4 for testing. Here it tells you what your max size is, allowable size. And it's the server that defines this through the PHP settings. And you can have this increased if your web host will allow it. You have to contact them and ask. Or maybe pay more money. Maybe they won't allow you to add it without paying more. Okay, now that you have your file added, you click the edit. Here it is. The only reason we clicked edit was to get the file URL. So copy the URL. Basically, I just put my cursor in and then hit Command A on a Mac or Control A on a PC to highlight the thing and then copy it. You can change the name and all this if you want. I usually just ignore that. Then you go to video, add a new video, and in MP4 video you paste it in. Of course, if we didn't want to go and grab the source and paste it, you could always click this button and then all of the MP4s in your library will show up here, and then you just grab one. Finally, yeah, here they are. So we have three. The MP4 for testing was the newest one that we added, and you can change the title, etc. if you want to. There it is. If you'd like to add a splash image, which means the preview image that's shown before the user clicks play or before the video starts playing, then you can. Otherwise, it will show by default the first frame in the video. Here I usually change this to 100% so that it is scalable, and this to auto. And then remember this number because that's a very important number to get it to show up on your page, and publish. Yeah, it tells you afterwards to use this code, so just as a reminder. So then you copy that, go to posts, add a new post. Now this is assuming you want it to show up on the front page as like a new video post. If you want to add it to a page that will be like a permanent page in your menu or navigation, then you can do it through here. But most of the time will be wanting to add new posts. New MP4 video test. Now we just paste in the short code and then it will show up here. Of course, the URL, which they call the slug, shows up there. Video headline title, change that to a 2 or a 1, then the video will show up, and then below here you write some text about the video using as many keywords, potential search words for the video as possible. Probably about 3 times that much text is what you'd want to write, maybe 3 sentences. Feature image, Basically, how you do that is you just play the video and pause it at the moment you want to take a picture for the featured image, and then you take a screenshot of it, and then you paste it into Photoshop and then save it for the web as a JPEG, and then you upload it here. So that is an extra job that is a bit of a pain, but that's what you have to do if you want it shown as a featured image on in the slider on the front page. I'll show you what it will look like without. Of course, don't forget to choose your categories. Publish. Okay, and then it's published, and now you can view the post to see how it looks. There it is, beautiful. Now it is scalable. See, the video is shrinking with the browser page. In the background you can see that I have my editing software up. Alright, and it's, as I said, will show the first frame of the video since we didn't choose a preview image. And that's my voice in the video. There, finished. Here's the text we wrote, here's the previous post, and here's comments for it. You can, of course, turn those off if you like in the edit page. So down here, you can disallow comments and disallow trackbacks and pingbacks if you don't want any comments or anything on the page. You can also add a comment from here if you like. Now, if these are not showing up for you on the page, then you just go to screen options and make sure that they're checked. Comments and discussion. Of course, discussion is the one that lets you opt out of allowing comments, and this kommentarer comments is the one you choose for like adding a comment or seeing what comments there are so far on the page. These are probably off by default, by the way. Then you update the page again. Now we know what the page looks like, so let's see how it looks on the front page. It will not show up in the slider because we didn't choose a feature image, and here it is, but since it doesn't have a feature image, all you see is a link to it. So that's why a feature image is important. And we click on it, and of course it will show up as normal, just as though it did have a feature image. We can play it here. But let's choose a feature image. Took a screenshot of our video and saved it as a PNG. You can save it as a JPEG too. And now we uploaded it. And down, by the way, down here, we forgot we have to hide the feature image because otherwise it will show up in the post above the video. So it will look like you have two videos in. So select that so that it doesn't show up in the post in addition to the video. We only want the video, not the feature image. We only want the feature image to be used on the front page. Okay, now we go to the home page. There it is. That's the feature image that I chose. And there it is down here. Now when we click on it, you see it's just the video. Otherwise, if we didn't select to leave the feature image out, it would be above. It would be basically between these two. All right. Thanks. I hope that helps.